When yogi turns awareness inwards towards the subtle space in the Brahmarandra, a radiant inner light appears. It is clear, sharp, and luminous, just like a cluster of lightning. Now, this is not an imagination. This is direct inner experience which is born because of the stillness and because of the intense sadhana. When breath becomes gentle, when thoughts soften and subside, when awareness settles inside, the inner light begins to reveal itself. Now, this is the essence of the Chakra meditation. It is not a fantasy. It is not a color mapping. It is not a guided imaginary. It is a study and practice of what the ancient text describes. It is an exploration of the practical techniques as stated in the manual of Shiva Samhita and Hat Pradipika. Discover the light and stillness within. To learn more, book your spot, visit kdham.com.